Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be hanging with my dad. I got my dad here to help me, a retractable hose that was my birthday present. I can tell you a little bit about drills. He's an orthopedic surgeon, so he knows lots about drills, but he is 100 times much better at those things, so stick around. So this is the Giraffe Tools Retractable Hose, 1/2 inch by 100 feet long. And then my dad's got the actual hose.
This is it, and it fits on this bracket right there. We are mounting this bracket to a brick wall. You really best use a nice cement drill. This is a Milwaukee cement drill. This thing goes in here and it bounces back and forth like this. So it really helps drill the hole. This is a 1/4 inch bit. This is a 5/16. It's your cement screw, and you can see that the bit is just a tiny bit smaller than the core size. When you're drilling in cement, it always makes a hole a little tiny bit bigger. So we're gonna start slightly smaller and then see how this thing fits. Cut.
Decide exactly where you want to mount this retractable hose.
You always lubricate it with some water out of a spray bottle, is just fine. And this drill will go through 7 inches of concrete in about 30 seconds. Remember, watch this.
Drill hole number 1.
Done. Isn't that crazy?
Wow, no, that thing is quick. And put the screw in the bracket. The next step is to level the bracket. Drill hole number 2.
I'm using a DeWalt cordless 20-volt brushless impact driver with a couple of extensions so it gets out of the way to dry.
And put the screw in hole number 2. Drill hole number 3 and 4 and put the screw in hole number 3 and 4. Make sure that bracket is nice and solid. The next step is to hang the hose on the bracket. Show me how it pivots, Dad. That is really awesome. Connect the nozzle to the hose and test out the nozzle. Well, that thing shoots. Okay. Now we're gonna stretch it out and try it out the whole field. See? Pull it out. Will retract all the way back. Pull it out some more. Get it to stop. Then it fully stops there. Pull it out some more. And go back in. Whoa! Now that thing is awesome. Well, thanks a million, Dad. I do appreciate you coming over and helping me hang my birthday gift, this retractable hose. And this thing is really, really strong and powerful. I'm so excited to have this. So thank you so much, Dad. I appreciate it.
Anything for you, Kat.
Oh, you're so sweet. So yes, remember, work hard, play hard. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.